first came across Robbie with Marist College. I was asked to coach Marist College for their senior cup team. I'd been aware of Robbie up to that from watching underage matches. He's a born leader. Definitely put his body on the line for the team.
My dad introduced me to Buccaneers when I was a kid. I was only around 7 years of age and put me through the hard yards when I was a youngster.
For ourselves here at Marist College, we're very proud. His father had gone here, his uncle had gone here, all his cousins had gone here and played. So, you know, I'm here 12 years and there was always a member of the Henshaw family on one of the senior teams all the way up.
Marist College was the development of my rugby and brought me into schools rugby. For the senior years, Mick Loftus and Tony Dolan were the main men there and they really helped me develop my rugby. We won the senior cup final after 30 odd years, which was a huge achievement.
For Robbie to lift the senior cup for the first time in 30-something years, you know, the pride was immense. I didn't expect the meteoric rise to kind of professional level so quick, but there's, I suppose, proof of the man. You know, he can do that.
Pat's an exceptional coach and you can see the work that he's doing is paying off. He's helped me a long way with 13 and defending in the 13 shirt, and everything's going really well. His defence system is brilliant. It's a really close group now at the moment. It's a young kind of a backline and it's mixed with some mature guys there who've been around and have a lot of experience. It's a great mix of players and we're just building on the momentum.
I think it's the hard work and the perseverance that he has put in, and I think it's the support of his family, friends and coaches and the club and the school and Connacht and everything else. You know, it's a fabulous achievement for himself.
If you really think that you can stomach me.